Alright guys, good morning. This is 9th of March 2018 and I was planning to move out today out from Jodhpur, but just look at this. Look at the weather right now. It is raining heavily and I think I'll have to wait for some time. So any which way, I do not have a set destination for the day. I just wanted to cover some of the distance to Jodhpur. So probably I'll start a little late. Okay. Wow. Never thought I will ride in rain in this part of the country and in this season. It's 11:42, so I'm very late. I've just started on my journey back to my workplace. Well, regarding that, I also have a surprise for you, for all of you guys. Most of you who know that my workplace is Jodhpur. Well, there are slight change in plans. My riding hours in a day will be restricted because of this heat, and that's why I have given myself 3 days, for a distance of about 1000 kilometers. Well, I'm very sure that the weather will not be with me for very long. It will be getting hotter as I reach Delhi. Well, I am riding solo, but then my preload is adjusted at 3, which is a bit stiffer than the default setting. It doesn't make that much of a difference. Till Rampur, I'll have to ride very carefully because there will be slippery. There will be places where there will be mud, slush. Alright, so guys, that's the end of the day. और आज मैं luckily Delhi और गुड़गांव दोनों क्रॉस करने में कामयाब रहा and I've crossed Gurgaon. In fact, I have gone about 70-80 kilometers towards Jaipur. So Jaipur is about 154 kilometers from here. So I have covered a very good distance and it was getting dark and it took me quite some time to find a hotel on this highway. But this is the one I have settled for. It's a decent hotel. I won't say it's a very good hotel. Aaj ki ride was, really bad for my motorcycle and for my luggage. As you can see, all the mud. I'm very sure that I won't be able to stay awake for long. Okay, first time right now is 6:09 in the morning, and yeah, I just entered Rajasthan, and guess what? It is drizzling out here, and as you can see ahead, it's all cloudy. And Rajasthan's heat is like dreadful. So for me to have this weather in April, it's just unbelievable. Alright, so good morning boys. It's 5:55 in the morning, 5:57 in the morning of 11th March 2018, and today sorry, and today will be the final day of my ride back to work. and now I will be based in, which is my today's destination, and that is Jaisalmer. So I'm not very sure how good or bad is it, because it's crazy hot out there during the summers, but it is equally beautiful during the winters. So let me see, Jaisalmer is about 304 kilometers from here, and so I intend to make it in like 4 hours, because the road is absolutely fantastic. In fact, the road from Jodhpur to Jaisalmer is like a dream to ride on, as told to me by Abhinav, who has ridden to that place like many times, and Paranshu also. I'll only be able to open up the throttle once the tail light stick on. Right guys, I just spotted 2 lovely peacocks. So there's the another one. I love the fearlessness with which they are roaming around. Here it is on the road. Wow, just look at it. Beautiful. This is the closest I've ever been to these, Those are the kind of sand dunes that we see in movies. Less the, shrubs and all. Oh man, look at the vastness of this place, dude. And you know what? I just clocked 173 kilometers per hour here on these roads. I mean, these roads are just amazing. So I'm eating up miles like anything. I'm doing easily above 140. I mean, this road is just heaven, yeah. Especially for sports bikers. Hey friends, I'm here in Jaisalmer finally, and it's 26th of April. So the vlog was shot a long time back, and I didn't do any vlogging in this time period, in this gap, because I wanted to clear this backlog. I had the trip to Mukteshwar and then this ride back to this place, and also I needed some time to settle in out here and get my things right. The ride to Jaisalmer, as you just saw, it was just absolutely out of this world. I keep saying this. I ridden till Jodhpur quite a number of times. I have taken that road to Udaipur and further on to Indore, Mau. And I used to think that I've done the best roads in the country. And they are one of the best roads in the country. But then until now, when I did this Jodhpur-Jaisalmer stretch, this road is right up there. Although it's a single road with two-way traffic at a lot of places, but still, the kind of security that you feel out here on these roads, because you can see kilometers and kilometers ahead, and not only on the road, on both sides of the road too. So you know that if there is anything which is going to come in your way, you'll be able to see it kilometers away. That security is, I didn't find it anywhere else. So you can raise up your throttle, you can push your bike to its limits. Although I didn't do that as of now, because I'm still getting used to those high speeds. So I could reach up to 173 kilometers per hour. After that, the wind blast is very strong. I know the motorcycle can do speeds up to 234, 235 kilometers per hour. That would be like crazy. I can't even think about it right now. As of now, I'm still looking forward to hit that 200 kilometer per hour mark. As of now, I think these roads are just the place where you can do that. of course keeping all the security issues in mind. And now the vlogs will be coming up to you from Jaisalmer, other than of course during the times when I'm on holidays. Thing is, it's absolutely crazy hot in Jaisalmer right now, so I don't really think I'll be vlogging too much. The only time you can move out with your motorcycle is after 7 in the evening. Once the weather cools down, then the possibilities are limitless, right? So that's it for this vlog, guys. I'll see you in my next vlog. Till then, this is Deepak, the Two Wheels Wanderer from Jaisalmer, signing off. Ride safe.